How to download TikTok video without Watermark iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download TikTok video without Watermark on iOS. First, open your TikTok application on your iPhone. Next, select the video you want to download without the watermark. Then, tap on the arrow icon. Copy the link to the video. Go back and open your Safari browser. Then search for TikTok Video Downloader. You will find many websites where you can download TikTok videos without watermarks. Choose one. For example, I'm selecting the first one. Paste the video link you copied earlier. Tap on Download. Scroll down and select Without Watermark HD. Tap on Download. Go to your downloads where you can see it downloading. You will need to wait a bit, and soon it will be saved in your gallery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.